In Sicily, you can enjoy a variety of unique activities and experiences. Here are some of the best things to do. Climb Mount Etna. Explore Europe's highest and most active volcano. You can take guided tours to reach the summit and witness breathtaking views. Visit the Valley of the Temples. Explore the ancient Greek archaeological site in Agrigento, featuring well-preserved temples and structures. Discover Taormina. Wander through the charming streets of Taormina. Visit the ancient Greek-Roman theater and enjoy panoramic views of the coast and Mount Etna. Savor Sicilian cuisine. Indulge in local specialties like arancini, rice balls, cannoli, sweet pastries, and fresh seafood. Don't miss trying Sicily's unique street food. Explore Palermo's markets. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of Palermo's markets, such as Ballarò and Vucciria, where you can taste local products and experience Sicilian daily life. Relax on Sicilian beaches. Enjoy the stunning beaches of Sicily, including Mondello near Palermo, San Vito lo Capo, and the secluded Favignana Island. Visit Syracuse, explore the historic island of Ortigia, visit the Greek theater, and admire the fountain of Arethusa. Discover Cefalù, relax on the beautiful beaches of Cefalù, and explore the town with its medieval streets and impressive Norman cathedral. Take a boat tour to the Aeolian Islands. Visit the volcanic archipelago, including Stromboli and Lipari, for unique landscapes and outdoor activities. Hike the Zingaro Nature Reserve. Experience the natural beauty of Sicily by hiking through this coastal reserve, known for its pristine landscapes and crystal-clear waters. These activities provide a glimpse into Sicily's rich history, stunning landscapes, and delicious culinary offerings.